My phone is hazy. It's that humid outside. So I think we're pretty much replacing every single plumbing component at Grandma's house, week by week. Did you fix it? Did you fix it?
Oh, you're documenting how I fix your stuff?
You're the plumber in this relationship.
I think I did.
You think you did.
See, sometimes the problem is too much brute strength.
There's no such thing as that. Why would they make these things in such a way that they could not withstand brute strength? Everything is supposed to be idiot-proof.
Plumbing is like a delicate flower. You have to caress it.
This my tool. This my tool.
A delicate flower.
So important to remember when you're doing an electrical hot water heater is you see the 10-2 is up here disconnected because that tank needs to be all the way full of water before you connect the electrical, or the elements will get hot and there'll be not enough resistance because there's no water in there to keep the elements cool, and the elements just poof, burn up. Brand new hot water heater burn up. Is I'll go check the. Okay. You wanted to kiss me, but then you remember we were on camera, so then you didn't. I know that look. I know that look in her eyes. Hi. Are you helping? Are you helping? Yeah? Oh, there's big sister. And grandma. And Bubba. And we have water at the tap. That means that the air is out of the line, which means we can connect the electrical. And so we're going to close this valve. That'll put back pressure on the line, which will actually pressure test all the connections we just made. Okay. Beep, beep, big sissy. Her hair is ombre now, whatever that means. Okay. Faucet's closed. All the air is out of the line. What say thee, master? Here we find a plumber in its natural habitat as it carefully inspects the lines coming from the CPVC fittings to the braided flex hoses down to the pre-factory installed connections on the top of the water heater.
You're missing my plumbing crack. No, I'm wearing good pants.
You're wearing good anti-crack pants?
Yeah,
that's
elastic
good.
band.
All those DARE classes in the 90s worked. Drug awareness, resistance education.
Yeah.
Yeah, remember that?
Okay, yeah, we're Jared.
Bueno?
Bueno!
Os muy bueno, we did it! Yay! You did it. I did most of it. She just did the last 10%.
You did the heavy lifting.
Yeah, I carried the old one out and the new one in.
Yeah. Because I can't do it.
Because that's what I'm good for.
Yeah. Yeah. That does not require a delicate touch.
No, that requires a bear touch. Okay, good job, Ma.
Thanks.
Okay. Yay, now we connect the electrical and we have hot water. Or Grandma has hot water. So, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go through the house and demo all the walls, find all the plumbing fittings, and just redo all the plumbing in the whole house because we're most of the way there anyway. So, bye.